Good day, you beautiful people. Come with me to my very first Apple event. Good day, you beautiful people. Today is an exciting day because I'm in Shanghai for my very first Apple event. In this video, I'm gonna take you along. Now, I personally don't know what to expect yet, but a few things. First of all, I will be vlogging everything with my iPhone Air. So if you're one of those people who've always asked about the cameras of this phone, well, this is your chance to see just how it performs. Yes, folks, living life on the edge and shooting an event with a one-camera smartphone. And secondly, well, it has been a busy week in tech. Throughout the week, Apple announced so many things, one of which would be the iPhone 17e, which is their most affordable smartphone. Plus, it comes in pink. There's an updated iPad Air, an updated MacBook Air, an updated MacBook Pro, plus the new studio displays. So yeah, they've been busy. So hopefully, crossing my fingers, we get to see those new things today. I really want to see the pink iPhone. I'm also unsure if we're getting a new announcement tonight. If rumors of that new, more affordable MacBook is true, stay tuned. It's gonna be an exciting day. Let's switch to the vlog. Right, we're at the launch venue. It's late. I just napped on the way here, but we're about to start, so exciting! Okay, we're here. We are up front and we're about to start. Exciting!
We've built an all-new Mac from the ground up, and we call it MacBook Neo. We couldn't be more excited about it, and here you're going to see it as a world first.
This is MacBook Neo, an amazing all-new Mac at a surprising price. To make it, we reimagined how to build a laptop from the ground up, and we used the most recycled material of any Apple product. We started with aluminum, because it's light, durable, it just feels really great in your hands. MacBook Neo has a stunning 13-inch liquid retina display for vivid images and sharp details. Its signature Magic Keyboard is super satisfying to use. The multi-touch trackpad lets you click, scroll, swipe, and pinch anywhere on its surface. And the model with Touch ID allows you to instantly unlock your Neo, sign into apps, and pay for stuff with just a finger. To make it easy to connect and to charge, we built in 2 USB-C ports and a headphone jack. The 1080p camera and high-quality mics mean you'll always look and sound great. We also added new side-firing speakers supporting spatial audio with Dolby Atmos. So when you watch a movie, it's kind of like being at the movies. Neo comes in 4 colors: silver, indigo, blush, and this fresh new citrus. We even color coordinated its keyboard and feet, because you know, details. MacBook Neo is powered by A18 Pro. So it wakes fast and launches apps quickly. You can fly through everyday tasks, explore new hobbies, and browse through everything you love. And because Apple Silicon is so efficient, it packs up to 16 hours of battery life. At the heart of Neo is macOS, an incredibly intuitive operating system. Privacy and security are built right in. It's loaded with all the apps you need to get started. And it's easy to add the apps you already use. Best of all, Neo works like magic with your iPhone. You can start a chat on your Neo, and continue on your iPhone. Or copy from one and paste straight to the other. You can even use your iPhone without holding your iPhone. So that's MacBook Neo. Everything you'd expect of a MacBook at a price you wouldn't.
So the big announcement of the evening was of course the new MacBook Neo. It is right now Apple's entry-level most affordable MacBook, and it's crazy because this MacBook is priced starting at $599 US. It comes in 4 colors: silver, indigo, citrus, and of course my favorite, blush. And it's powered by the Apple A18 Pro chip. And yes, this is an iPhone chip, and yes, this is the first MacBook powered by an iPhone series chip. This is a 13-inch laptop with a liquid retina display and an aluminum finish. This laptop has a magic keyboard with a 512 version repping a Touch ID. There's a multi-touch trackpad, 2 USBs, a headphone jack, 1080p cameras, mics, and side-firing speakers with spatial audio and Dolby Atmos. Now this thing looks nice and sleek. It doesn't feel cheap at all, but it's actually quite lightweight. And yes, that keyboard and feet, they also match the color of the laptop. It's honestly quite exciting to me because aside from the fact that this laptop comes in pink, I feel like this more affordable option is a lower barrier to entry into the Mac ecosystem. Of course, it's just our first quick look at the new MacBook Neos at the launch. Stay tuned, I will have more content on it. But aside from these new MacBooks, I got to see so much more. I of course got my hands on the new iPhone 17e. This is the new iPhone 17e and it's available in black, white, and soft pink. This new more affordable iPhone is powered by an A19 chip. It's more durable because it now reps Ceramic Shield 2, and it has an upgraded C1X modem which should make it at least 2 times faster than the iPhone 16e. It also now has MagSafe support. The iPhone 17e is priced starting at $599 US with double the storage starting at 256 GB. I also got my hands on the updated iPad Air. They still come in 2 sizes, the 11-inch and the 13-inch, and they're now powered by the new M4 chip, now with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and an upgraded 12 GB of RAM. I also got to touch and try the other new MacBooks, starting with the new MacBook Air that now runs on the M5 chip. You get a 13-inch and a 15-inch with a double base storage of 512 GB. Camera on this has also been upgraded to the 12-megapixel center stage camera, which means you now have the desk view feature, and it includes the N1 chip for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. The MacBook Pros, both the 14 and the 17-inch, are also upgraded. They're even more powerful now with the M5 Pro and the M5 Max chips, and storage has doubled to 1 TB for the M5 Pro and 2 TB for the M5 Max. They also get Thunderbolt 5 and Wi-Fi 7. And finally, we get new studio displays. The studio display now gets a Thunderbolt 5 and a 12-megapixel center stage camera. And we get a brand spanking new Studio Display XDR, which features mini LED backlighting, 120Hz ProMotion, and 2000 nits peak brightness. And that's just a quick recap of what I got to see at my very first Apple event. Really exciting time, you guys, and I hope I get to review these products soon. And like I said, I will also be posting more videos on the things I saw here. That includes the iPhone 17e and maybe another video on the MacBook Neo. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys want to see me check out. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.